Hey guys, my name is Mark. On this video I'm going to try to turn left and right from a major road into a minor road. I'm going to take the next road on the left, so center mirror, signal left, but notice my position. I'm not too far to the left, I'm just keeping myself in the middle of the lane, checking my left mirror before I turn, and I'm just going to do one, turn to the left, and then bring the steering wheel back to the middle. I'm going to check your center mirror first, left mirror next, signal left from about 3 houses away, and you want to start braking early. I've got my clutch ready in case I need to press it, but at the moment I can keep it in gear 2 and carry on turning. But if someone was there or something happened, I could press my clutch down quickly and stop, and if I needed to do that. Covering my brake, I'm not pressing any gas at the moment, just checking my left mirror for any cyclists. It's looking good, checking into the road I'm turning into as well. Not much going on there. Once I've got my wheels like that, I can just let go of the steering wheel a tiny bit, and then it goes to straight. So when I'm straightening up the wheels, I've still got my hands on it, but I'm just letting it run through my fingers, and then once it gets to straight, it kind of stops by itself anyway, but I've got my hands ready and I can control it then. So in most cars, it's not going to be safe to turn in gear 3. We're going to take the next road on the left, so I need to think about gearing down before I get there. So right now I'm in gear 3, I need to think about gear 2. So I'm going to check my center mirror, left mirror, signal left. Once it gets like around here, I'm going to get into gear 2, then bring my clutch up smoothly, so gear 2 is already engaged, but I'm still braking, checking my left mirror one more time, and then I'm going to make my turn with my brakes still on. Then once I get here, I can start pressing a bit of gas and then straighten up. Then if I needed to go faster, I would go faster and go into gear 3. I'm going to take my center mirror, check my right mirror, signal right, looking for any cars behind this car, because once it's gone past I can make my turn, just reducing my speed. I'm also looking into the turn I'm turning into as well. Once I've got my mirror lined up with the center line here, I can make my turn. So that way I'm not going to be turning too early, and I'm also not going to be turning too late. Right, so I check my center mirror, right mirror, signal right, looking like it's clear. I'm looking out for that pedestrian as well, so someone walking in the road, so just keeping an eye on him, make sure I don't run him over. So sometimes when you turn, there'll be people in the road either crossing or just walking along it, so you want to be ready for that as well. Be ready for anything as you turn into a new road. Now there are some junctions where you need to go into a box, so like this one here for instance. You go to the right like this, get your wheel straightened out, and I'm just waiting for this car to turn. Once it's gone, I can make my turn. So you see, I was using that box to make sure I'm out of the way for the other cars that are going past. So you know, I don't want to be sticking out, which is why I went in like this and then got my car straight. I'm going to take the next road on the right, so I'm just going to check my center mirror, check my right mirror. Once I get to like 3 houses away, which is around here, I'm going to signal right, and I can already see there's a box for me in the middle there. So the first one's not for us, the second one is for us. I'm just going to go past the first one and then go into the second one like this, keep my signal. Once this guy's gone past, I can make my turn, and then once I get the car here, I can bring the wheels back to the center again. So you want to make sure you use the correct box. Don't go into the box that's not for you, because if another car was trying to turn in front of you, going the other way, you're going to be in their way. So I'm going to take the next road on the right. I'm just going to check my center mirror, check my right mirror, then I'm going to signal right now to let people know where I'm going. I can see there's a box for me in the middle there, so I'm just going to go there, aim for that. These cars on my left have to wait for me because I'm on the main road. So I'm just going to go here, position myself like that, keep my signal on, wait for these motorbikes to go past. Once they've gone, I check my mirror, then I can make my turn. Those pedestrians on the side are okay because they're on the pavement, but if they already started walking before I made the turn, I would have to wait for them. But because they're already on the pavement, I don't need to worry about them too much.